Oh, this is Bobby. Hope to help you repair with a proof functionality of a repaired main board for Vizio XVT553SV. Customer Danica Nelson. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. I apologize if I don't. Board is currently functional. I'm going to turn off the TV and we will go underneath. And I will turn it back on. It will take a few seconds before it does get on. Okay, not yet. Yep, it's starting. So here's the Vizio signal. We have an HDMI signal directly fed it into HDMI 1 with video, just playing some standard audio player. Here's the menu. Menu in, menu out. Here's the input sources changing. There's nothing on HDMI 2. Going back to HDMI 1. I'm controlling the remote with my other hand. And again, this is the TV on which we're testing. And this is the board being tested. That's all. Thank you.